Have you ever wondered if your remote team, if your employees are really working or are just online, Googling or on social media? In this video, I will show you how to watch your employees' live computer screens from anywhere in the world, right from your browser, in a dashboard where you will see all the live computer screens of all your employees on one dashboard. So let's open Wolfeye Remote Screen dashboard and see how it works. My name is Angel. I'm from wolfeye.de, and this is what we're going to do here. What you see here is the login to the Wolfeye Remote Screen dashboard, and this is the demo. Of course, this is a demo, but if you would like to see it in action on my screen, or let's see, on one of your computers, schedule a Google Meet session with us on our website. I show you in a minute, or I post the link below. Anyhow, here is how it works. So the password is the demo password is 12345. You log into your dashboard when you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your employees' computer, and we'll see on one dashboard for all the employees' computer. In this example, we have 5 computers that we have installed it just for demonstration purposes. The live computer screen. You see here only one screen for each of the computer where it has been installed. This is a demo, so you only see the screen, but it is a screenshot updated every 3 seconds. That's how you will see it, updated every 3 seconds. You see the new screenshot, and that's how you see the live computer screen for each of your employees' computers. And if you wanted to monitor one specific bigger, you can either right mouse click here on live and a new tab opens. You see that particular live screen. Here you only see the screen because this is a demo. Or you could even change the design, not 3 columns, you to 2 columns, and the screens for each of your employees' live computer screen are much bigger. And also, if you wanted, you could enable a screenshot history. That means that a screenshot every 5 minutes is saved on the server, and you see the screenshot history by right mouse click on this history for this computer, or right mouse click on this history for that computer. Let's do this one and open in a new tab, and you will see the screenshot history. This is only, of course, a demo. This is how you will see it. So what I propose you, come to our website, wolfeye.de. Come to our website and schedule, hit the start free trial button and schedule book a demo. And in this demo, I will share, we will do a Google Meet session. I will share my screen, and I will show you on my screen, will demonstrate the software for you. And I will send you the dashboard to my computer. So you will see on that dashboard, you will see my computer screen, so to speak, exactly how you would see it if you install it on your computers. And if you like it, you decide if we go to the second step. The second step would be you share your screen with a Google Meet session, and I guide you through the installation process for 1 computer, for 2 computer, or 3, as you like. And after I guide you through the installation process, you will be able to quickly set up and install Wolfeye on your remaining computers. The seconds immediately after that, you will receive the dashboard, the access to your dashboard, and see the live computer screens. Here in this example, you have 9 computers being monitored with via remote screen. That's it. So please come, I will post the link below. Please come to our website and book a Google Meet demo session to start your free trial, so that you will be able to test Wolfeye within a few weeks. Very important that you test it and you use it so that you know how it works, you know what you get. Only then you can do a decision whether Wolfeye Remote Screen, you will love it. You will see that you will love it. So, and the installation process, maximum will take 30 minutes, because the installation process by itself is very fast. It's very fast. And this is what I would like to show you. I think Wolfeye is not running, I hope, because the last video you saw, it was not able to reinstall a second time while Wolfeye is running. So the installation download file is this. This is how it looks. When I send you the download link, this is how it looks. And before you install it, you will have to select the folder C users public documents. C users public documents. You have to copy that link because this is the installation folder where Wolfeye will be installed. Yeah. It is possible to select another installation folder. So these are things that we talk about when we do the Google Meet session, but this is the standard folder where it is installed. It creates a folder named W and installs itself into that folder. And it is important that we put this particular folder into the antivirus exception because Wolfeye basically runs, it's like a hacking tool, like a spy tool. Yeah, it allows you to spy, so to speak, on your own employees' computers remotely, hiddenly, um, um, in stealth mode. So that's why we must put it into the antivirus exception list. But just that folder, your antivirus continues to work very normal, scans everything,